project for him.
The subliminal.
Yes.
I'm recording.
Yeah, I was thinking when he told me that, because then I brought up the FedEx arrow.
Right.
On the side of the FedEx
Can
truck.
we
Look
see
at the
through
FedEx logo, and between on the X, the EX,
Oh, you have to
it's
close
a
it to see
perfect
through here?
arrow.
Okay, well.
Got it?
Are you like taping?
Yes.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, we'll go by your wrist. You shooting a porno? Smaller. You want it to be all the way across?
My what?
Shooting a porno. No.
Joe.
Just a little bigger now. Well, wait, which one is it?
He like totally
Click on it.
disappears.
It's an ARR, or I think, I don't know.
He's like, hey, world, what's up?
Click on it.
Say hi.
It was right there.
Is that it?
Yep.
You're an ass.
Oh, it is for sure.
Ah!
Gonna zoom in.
I swear to God, if this picture doesn't download, I'm breaking this phone. Are you gonna record that too? If I shatter this thing?
Yes.
Why would we not record that? I'm gonna record that on my phone.
I will turn it into a droid commercial.
The best part would be
Like
if
a
you
total
snapped it into like 3 pieces and it was still running.
Why was no? Why? I want to know why the download was unsuccessful. I swear to God, this whole
Just as I
memory
zoomed in
card
on your
is just gonna
face,
be
you
filled
turned.
up of me sitting here.
Yep.
There you go.
What?
See how close you can zoom in. See if you can get like
That's
the
what
red
I've been
glossy
doing.
eye.
That's what I've been doing. Is
Looking for you, sweetie?
quit moving, Ian. It blurs it all out.
Is that gonna be that
What?
big?
Wait, what? It's a video camera. How am I not supposed to move?
A little bit.
No, I'm
Why
trying to
don't you
get it in
videotape
close
stuff
without
in
it
the-
going blurry. As soon as you move, it all goes blurry.
Look, I think she's trying to get like your pupil.
Yeah.
Like that?
No. Could only go so far.
She's first.
There you go.
Like I said, let me trace these out.
Just flip out the little thing and like slowly creep it into like his eye.
That's what I'm doing right now. Hush. And
Whoa,
I
who's
can't move.
creeping on me on a video camera? Wait a minute. I don't know if I like the sound of
I have
that.
you set up to where we're going to do the paw prints first. Get that over and done with. It's more painful.
Okay.
So while you're
Yeah, I lose all detail after I get like zoomed in so
Well, the
far.
wrist
Whatever,
part-
that's why I'm saying
Holy
move
shit,
the
she went across
camcorder
the
in.
hip bone down here.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh no,
Flip
then
out your little
I'll
screen
get
and-
blurry sooner.
I got one on each side of my hip bone.
Oh,
She has one from hip to hip.
oh no.
Finally! That's my next one.
What's that?
Gunter the Penguin from Adventure Time. And I'm gonna have a good one and an evil one.
Okay.
Trust me, I'm the person that gets the tattoos that nobody else does. Like the banana. And the Beetlejuice sandworm.
Yeah.
No, we're going to be getting that Beetlejuice sandworm too, so...
Oh yeah, I know. But that's why I got it originally, because one, nobody has it, and two, the only people that are gonna have it are the closest people in my life. So it works out. It's different.
I'm video recording in black.
She
and
was way too calm about that situation. She just poked a giant tarantula. Immediately should have freaked out.
Poking a giant tarantula? That sounds like a terrible, terrible porno to be a part of. And it sounds highly illegal.
Sounds fatal.
Yeah.
At the least.
I mean, God, female praying mantises bite the heads off their mates. I can't. I don't
That's
even wanna
because a male praying mantis cannot finish without having his head bit off. It releases a hormone that helps him finish. He can't finish without it.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Whoa,
Crazy.
damn.
Fucked up, isn't it?
I
The
hope
same
I
thing as a
never
black widow.